Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to start my second vlog from where we have ended our first video. So today I'm going to a very exciting place. So let's go.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
Hi guys, so it's so hot today. Oh my god, it's so sunny as you can see. So I'm waiting for the bus.
you gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You
Hey guys, after walking for so long, I'm finally here. Okay, so let's just go now and I will show you the waterfall. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, we have to go down by stairs. Whoa, can you see that? I was actually so excited to go to waterfall because I've never been to waterfall in Hong Kong, so it's really so good to be here. Wow. Let's just go, man. Okay, my cameraman is right behind me, so I need to hold the camera first. So for those who wants to come here, you need to come here by crossing that barrier. It's not that hard, even I've seen like the old people as well, so don't worry about it. Whoa, I finally arrived. Can you see? refreshed. Hey guys, so I found out that there are 2 bunkers nearby, so I'm thinking to go and show you guys as well. So let's just go. So there are some slippery rocks here and the floor is really uneven. Adventure. Let's get inside. So this is what it looks like inside. Yeah, it's a big room. One window over here and the other one is here. And so guys, that's it for today's vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.